Hi all, welcome to this overview video on design thinking. It is also the overview video for Module 1. Our purpose is to look at design thinking as a whole, right, as a complete process before we look at its separate parts in future modules. Now, to begin, I'm going to ask that you complete a Flipgrid. A Flipgrid is, you can think of it as a video-based discussion. So in this Flipgrid, I pose two prompts to you. One, what do you know about design thinking? And two, what do you want to know about design thinking? If you'd like to hear more about these prompts, you can click this play button and you can hear me talk about it. Now, when you're ready to record your response to these prompts, what you can do is click the tap to record button and follow the directions. You'll have 90 seconds to respond to both of these prompts. Now, as our classmates start responding, you'll start to see it populate with their responses, and you can actually click them to hear what your classmates have to say. In addition, you can click the respond or reply button and share your thoughts back to your classmates. Now, after you do the Flipgrid, I ask that you come over here and read Tim Brown's classic article, Design Thinking. I like this article a lot because he defines design thinking and he offers a couple of case studies about it. However, the reason I really like it is this chart, which really shows how iterative design thinking is, moving from inspiration to ideation to implementation and moving in this direction. However, because it is an iterative process, it moves back and forth and back and forth. And I think this chart does a really nice job of setting that up. Now, keep in mind, a lot of work's been done in the field of design thinking since Tim Brown wrote this article. However, it's a great place for us to start. Now, after you read the article, you have a Padlet, and you can read the Padlet examples here, but essentially what I'm asking you to do is to think backwards. And what do you think was an original problem that was addressed by design thinking? And what was the result? So for example, I think Waze, the app, is a result of design thinking. I think the original problem was that there was some traffic and people had the technology to start thinking about ways to navigate that traffic. And you can read the full prompt and my full example right here. Now to add yours to the Padlet, you can just click the plus button and you'll have this box and you should be able to just type your answer right in the box. At the bottom of the box, you'll see some options for linking or inserting an image that represents the product, service, or device that was a response that was developed through design thinking. Now, once you do that, you have the conclusion of this, which is what did you learn and what other questions do you have? So after you read Brown's article and you completed the Padlet, and you've reviewed your classmates' Padlet, what did you learn about design thinking? Then what questions do you still have? You can see my model right here, and then you can come down here, pick one of the templates. You can see there's plenty. Put your name at the top, and then on this side, I learned that, da-da-da-da-da, I learned that, da-da-da-da-da, and what questions do you have? And feel free to write whatever questions you have related to design thinking. All right. That's it for Module 1. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I'm looking forward to reading your work. Cheers.